Hi, it's Kelly, the MopTop girl with MopTop Junk-Free Hair Care. Today, I'm here to talk about challenges, flakes, and crunch. These two things can occur if you are too heavy-handed and you use too much of the custard or any gel for that matter. Also, if you happen to have a low porosity hair. What can happen is it's like using too much and the gel actually dries on top of your hair before your hair even dries. By using too much gel, you create a very thick cast, which creates the flakes. So, quick, easy solution is you need to add moisture. I just grabbed the Mongongo Oil. I can't talk today. I just grabbed the Mongongo Oil, and it just takes a few drops, and I emulsify it, so rub it between my hands, and then I release and crunch out any crunch. That will also eliminate flakes. One thing I did was I chose Mongongo and Abyssinian oil. People are familiar with argan oil, which has an vitamin E content about here. But Mongongo and Abyssinian, the vitamin E content's here. And I chose that because it just feeds the hair, and I love that. Another thing is it just adds a really nice sheen. So it's not a fake gloss, but a beautiful sheen. Hope that answers your questions. If you have any other, please feel free to reach out.